welcome back to my channel. So as you saw the title, we'll be making some tortilla wraps today. It's a simple and easy recipe, I know, but the reason I'm making this is because whenever people tried my tortilla wraps, they always wanted to know how I made it. Hence I thought, let's make it a video. Anyways, without any more dragging, let's get into it. We will start off with the ingredients. So we need a packet of tortilla wrap. I have used the brand American Classic. Then we need some zinc chicken fillets. I use the brand Al Kabir. We need some sliced cheese of the brand Al Marai, some mayo, ketchup, and then moving on, we need some leaves of lettuce, and I have used 2 onions, but we only need 1. It's your choice. We will begin by giving the chicken fillets a good fry. So we do not need the whole packet. It depends on how many tortilla wraps you want to make. I am making 5 of them, so around 7 to 8 pieces will be good enough. As the chicken is frying, let's chop our onions and lettuce and put the mayo as well as the ketchup in separate containers so it's easier for us. I am taking 3 big spoons of mayo and about 5 spoons of ketchup, but if you want it to be more saucy, you can simply add more. The chicken fillet is also completely cooked, so now we have everything needed for the filling of the wrap. We have a small step left, which is to cut our chicken fillet. It can be roughly chopped into any kind of pieces. We do not have to be exact with it. I used to not do this step, but it is so much more convenient cutting it into small pieces. We have everything for the filling ready. So let's take a plate, a spoon, the sliced cheeses and our tortilla wrap. We begin with the sauces, which is mayo and ketchup. It really is your own choice on how much you want. If you want it to be more saucy, please add more, but this is my kind of level. Spread the sauces evenly and then we move on to our lettuce and then onions. Onions are really optional. Some people do not like them, so don't add them. Or if you want to be a little fancy, you can add capsicum instead, or both. Next is the sliced cheese. We will only be using half of it right now. The other half will be used later in the same wrap. So what I do is that I take a half of it and make it into even more smaller pieces and add them, because otherwise it's a huge block of cheese on just one side of the wrap. Moving on, we will add the chicken fillets. About 4 to 5 pieces will be good enough. Now we have completely filled in the wrap, so we move on to the folding. First we fold the sides and then move on to the corners. A little tear and all will be there, but it's completely fine. After this, we have to use the rest of the cheese that's kept aside. So usually I use a toothpick to keep the tortilla wrap intact, but this time I thought I'll use the other half of the cheese, so when it melts, the tortilla wrap won't break off. Similarly, you finish all your wraps like this. Next, we will move on by heating our pan. We need to get a nice golden brown color to our wraps. It tastes even more better after being cooked like this because the raw taste of the tortillas will be gone. You can add a little bit of butter or ghee to it. It'll taste a little better, but it's completely optional. We always use butter because it gives an added crispiness and taste. Our wraps have become nicely done. It's golden brown and definitely crispy, so we can take it out. Before serving, let's cut it into halves and we are done. So this is how I make my tortilla wraps. Please do let me know in the comments if you have tried it at home and if you liked it. Please give my channel a subscribe and share it with your friends and family. God bless you all. Bye bye.